Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I'm Caro-H. Today we'll be cutting and sewing a pleated off-shoulder Bustier top. This is the fabric we'll use. We'll be cutting it directly on the fabric. Because it's off-shoulder, we'll minus 5 inches. The shoulder to waist measurement that I'm working with is 16 inches, but because of the seaming allowance, I will make it to be 17 inches. We'll use half an inch for down here, then use half an inch for up. Placing it this way, removing the 5 inches, I'll mark 7.5 inch. Like this line will be the line for the armhole. We get this armhole by bust measurement divided by 6 plus 1.5. The bust measurement that we're working with is 36. 36 divided by 6 is 6 plus 1.5, that is 7.5. Then just placing it like that still, we mark 10 inches for the bust line. Then we'll mark 13 inches for the under bust line. Then the 17 inches, this is the shoulder, the armhole line, which will also work as the chest line, the bust line, the under bust line, and the waistline. So the nipple to nipple measurement that we're working with is 7 inches. So 7 divided by 2 is 3.5 inches. But because of the fact that we are cutting it directly on the fabric, I'll add extra half an inch. So I'll be making use of 4 inches. So whatever the nipple to nipple measurement that you're working with is, you divide it by 2, then add half an inch. So you use that half an inch for your seaming allowance. Just mark it like so. You take it down, all the way down, half an inch. The 4 inches, you take it all the way down. Same we do. This is the line for the bust point to bust point measurement. Remember it's 3.5, but we use 4 inches. When you divide it into 2, the 7 inches is 3.5, but we used 4 inches because we use half an inch for the seaming allowance because we are cutting it directly to the fabric. So this center side, I'll take away half an inch here, half an inch here. Then this place, I'll also take away half an inch. Take away half an inch. I'll come to this side, I'll take 1.5 inch. I'll come here again, I'll take 1.5 inch. At this bust line, I'll come down by 1 inch. So I'll connect the dots together. So this way, I'll just curve this one like so. See me do. Then I'll take it down straight to the waistline, to the 1.5 inch that I marked. So at this shoulder line here, I'll take 1/4 of an inch. 1/4 of an inch here. 1/4 of an inch. This other side, I'll take 1/4 of an inch. 1/4 of an inch. So I'll bring it down here. Bring it down to the bust line. So this 1/4 of an inch, I'll bring it down as well to the bust line, just as you see me do. You can see it the way it is. So now I'm going to trim it out. is the cutout for the two. So what we'll do now is we'll place it like this, just as you see me do. Place it like this and take our final measurement. We'll place our measurement now. So we'll place our final measurement. The shoulder we are working with is 14 inches. 14 inches divided by 2 is 7 inches. So we'll mark 7 inches here. So connect that 7 inches to this armhole line. The bust measurement we're working with is 36 inches. 36 divided by 4 is 9 inches. Mark 9 inches here. Then add 2 inches for seaming allowance. The waist measurement we're working with is 27 inches. 27 inches is 6.5 and quarter. We mark 6.5 and quarter here. Then we add extra 2 inches for seaming allowance. Remember, this is only for the front piece. We have not cut the back piece. So now we connect the dots together. And this armhole part, we just go in by half an inch here. Then connect it like so. Take it to the 9 inches. We replace the 2 inches that we remove for the dart. 2 inches. And 2 inches here as well. So we connect them together. Connect the dots together. So this is our final line that we'll be cutting now. We'll cut out the padding material. So just stop at the under bust. Just seam do it. This is for the center piece, and this is for the two sides. I'll just use pressing iron to gum it with hemming gum. This is for the back piece. It's folded into 2. I left 2 inches here for the zipper allowance length. When you minus 5 inches, we have 17 inches. So I marked 7.5 inches here for the chest line, which is also the armhole line. So the shoulder that we used before is 14 inches divided by 2, which is 7 inches. I'll mark that 7 inches here. Mark the 7 inches as well here to connect it for the shoulder. So this is it for the shoulder. So for the dart, the nipple to nipple measurement that we were working with is 7 inches. So though at the front we use 4 inches because we are using half an inch for the seaming allowance. So for this one, we are going to use 3.5 inch. We're going to use 3.5 inch. So this is for the dart. There's not much thing on this back. It's just the normal cutting of the back. So that 3.5 inches, we remove half an inch from both sides. So I will notch it so that I will know particular place when I'm sewing. So this is it. So now from this chest line, which is the armhole line, we'll measure the bust measurement. The bust measurement that we're working with is 36. We mark 9 inch plus 2 inches for seaming allowance. Mark the 2 inches. 7 inches divided by 4 is 6.5 and quarter. So we mark 6.5 and quarter. So this 1 inch that we use for that here, we'll replace it here, 1 inch. Then we'll add 2 inches for seaming allowance. So we connect the dots. Connect the dots together. So on the back. So for the armhole, we just connect the arm this way. You see me do. Just connect it like so. This is for the arm. So basically, we are done for this back piece. So we'll come here so that the zipper will not budge. We remove 1 inch from the center, that place that the zipper is. You just connect it down to this place. The 1 inch, you connect it like so that the zipper will not budge out. After sewing it, just connect it like this and cut it out. This is for the back piece. I've as well traced the lining out from it. This is for the front. This is the lining. As well. So this is it. So I'll just go to the machine and join the pieces together. Join this way with 1/2 inch. Just sew it gradually here, all through. Then join the second one. I'll just join the whole pieces and come. I'm done with joining the front piece. I'm going to cut the sweetheart neck now. For the sweetheart neckline, I'll be coming down by 2 inches. So it depends on what you want when you be doing your own. If you want this way, but I don't want the neck to come down very well, so I'll be using 2 inches for that. I'll just take it like so and connect it. We'll take the bust measurement again now to trim off the excess. I will have the bust measurement that we're working with is 36 inches. 36 divided by 4 is 9 inches. We mark 9 inches plus 2 inches seaming allowance. So we mark here. For the waist measurement that we're working with is 27 inches. 27 divided by 4 is 6.5 1/4. So 6.5 1/4, we mark 6.5 1/4. Mark 6.5 1/4. Then we mark 2 inches for seaming allowance. This is the outcome. We'll join the back piece on it now. So this is the way we're going to join it, just like this, with 2 inches. Sew it, then sew the second one, and do the same thing with the lining. I'm done joining the pieces together. This is the outcome. Please note that when I was cutting the pad like this place, I left 1/2 inch where I will stitch it. Then this other place I left 1/2 inch. I did not stitch it directly on the pad. This is for the strips. It's 5.5 inches by 1.5 inches, folded into two places. I'm done folding the strips. This is how we are going to fix the strip. From the armhole, both sides of the armhole, we'll minus 1/2 inch here. So when we minus 1/2 inch, we place it there, like you see me do. Just sew it. Come to this side, minus 1/2 inch as well. That's 1/2 inch is what we're going to use and join the main sleeve. So we sew it like this. We'll do the both sides the same way. So we'll now bring the lining. This is the lining part. I've as well joined it. Front part of it facing the front part. Place it like this and sew it all the way. Sew this side as well, and sew this side as well. I'm done joining it with the lining. This is it. This is the line. This is for the pleated parts. It's 10.5 inches by 22 inches. It's folded into 5 places. I cut it into pieces because I couldn't get that length. So it's into pieces. I joined the pieces together. I'll be folding it this way. I've marked 1 inch So you see as I place it, this is 1 inch line. So I'll place it like this. See the way. Use iron to pressing iron to press it down. So this is 1 plate now. To plate the side, so I'll join 2 inches. This is 1 inch, this is 1 inch, and I'll do it like this. So I've made another plate. 1, 2, 3 inches. I'll join it like this. Then roll it like this. So this is how we're going to plate it. After everything, we use pressing iron to press it very well. This will stand firm. Remember, this is the plated part. I'm done with the plated part. So what we'll do now is front side, facing front side. We'll bring this one front side. This is the front side of the plated part. So this is the front side. We'll turn it like this. Then sew it with 1/2 inch. Then apply the zip. I'm done with joining the plated part. This is the outcome. I've as well joined the zipper. This is the zipper. This is for the sleeves. 14.5 inches by 8.5 inches, folded into 22 places. This is what we're going to do. We'll come here, measure 1 inch, then measure 6 inches here. We connect the 1 inch to 6 inches like so. Just connect it like this. Remember, it's folded into two places. We come this down, the down part, measure 1 inch. Measure 1 inch. We connect the 1 inch like so. Connect the 1 inch like this. This is another 1 inch like this. This is the rubber we'll apply on the sleeve. 7 inches. I'm done with the sleeves. Second one, we'll apply the rubber. This is how we're going to apply the sleeves. We just place it like this. The 1/2 inch that we left here, we place it here with 1/2 inch. We just sew it all through this way. We're done. I will just go to the machine and do that, and we're done. This is the outcome. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification button so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. Bye. See you in my next one.